Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video let's learn about how to open bank account online of Santander UK Bank. So let's get started. At first let's get into any browser and search for Santander UK Bank account opening. Click on this first website, that is current accounts. Open a current account. So let's tap on this. Now you can get the full details of the account type you want. Let's go for this one for now. And scroll down and simply click on apply over here. Let's click on start new application. Agree to the terms and conditions here. And simply click on apply. And if you want joint account, you can go and click on this one. Let's go. Now, the account creation process includes following these steps. That is, at first we need to enter our personal details. This is here. And once we are done, simply click on continue. After which, we need to enter to the next step, that is contact details. That is our mobile number and email address. After which, we need to provide our financial and employment details. After that, we can choose the account type we want, and we need to agree to the terms and conditions, and finally submit all of our details and identity cards as well. Once all of these steps are completed, our account will finally be opened. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.